I wanted to try some Chinese steamed buns stuffed with teriyaki chicken. It turns out very well. The Japanese teriyaki sauce goes very well with the soft skin of these buns. Start by cutting 3 chicken thighs into small chunks. Briefly chop them. Put them in a mixing bowl. Chop 2 garlic cloves. Put them with the chicken. Grate 1 teaspoon of ginger. Also put it with the chicken. Then add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix all together. Cut 100 grams of bamboo shoots into small cubes. Boil them for 10 minutes. Drain them. To prepare the teriyaki sauce, in a small saucepan, put 2 tablespoons of sugar, 4 centiliters of sake, 4 centiliters of mirin, 4 centiliters of light soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce to get a nice color. Combine and heat over low heat for 10 minutes. Cut the fire. The teriyaki sauce is ready. Chop 30 grams of green onion. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. We can start cooking the teriyaki chicken. In a pan heated over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the chicken. Stir for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Make small movements to separate the chicken pieces from each other. Add the bamboo chips and the teriyaki sauce. Turn to medium heat and stir for 1 more minute. Add the diluted starch. Stir for 20 seconds and turn off the heat. Out of the heat, add the green onion and stir. The stuffing is ready. To make the dough for the buns, in a large container put 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of yeast with a rising time of 30 minutes. Mix. Dilute 30 grams of sugar in 22 centiliters of lukewarm water. Pour it into the flour. Mix until all the liquid is absorbed. Knead for 6 minutes. Form a ball and let sit for 30 minutes with the lid. Then knead for 30 seconds to remove the air. Divide the dough into 14 pieces. Put them back in the bowl with the lid. Take a piece of dough, press it a little, form a ball. Spread it out to make a disc of 11 cm in diameter with a thicker center. Put 1 tablespoon of stuffing in the center of the disc. Look How I enclose the stuffing. Make folds. The thumb of my left hand holds the stuffing inside, and at the same time, it pushes the dough out to make a fold. Place the bun on a piece of baking paper. Let the buns rest for 30 minutes. Start cooking the buns on high heat. When the water begins to boil, lower the heat slightly and let cook for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and leave for 10 minutes without opening the lid to avoid ferment choc. Otherwise, the skin of the buns would shrink. The buns are very soft and their stuffing is not compact. The caramelized chicken with teriyaki sauce is very tasty. The small pieces of bamboo shoots are the crunchiness. Thank you and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.